Hello and welcome to our weekly weather briefing. I'm Stephanie Sullivan, meteorologist with the National Weather Service in San Diego, California. A look at what's coming up this week. We'll have some patchy marine layer drizzle in the coastal areas and valleys Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. Santa Ana winds developing for Thursday and Friday, and much warmer weather Thursday through Sunday. First, let's go over our drizzle. There is the potential for slick roads during the Wednesday morning commute. At this time, it looks like the best chance for drizzle will be kind of more towards the coastal areas, especially in San Diego County. And little, if any, precipitation accumulation is expected with this. Therefore, our risk level is basically little to none with this. That cool and barely wet weather comes to a quick end on Thursday when we start to see Santa Ana winds developing. We're expecting elevated to near critical fire weather conditions due to the combination of those gusty northeast to east winds, low humidity, and heat. Speaking of heat, it's going to be much warmer Thursday through Sunday with highs around 10 to 15 degrees above normal. So first, a look at the winds on Thursday and Friday. You can see here a map of the highest wind gusts we're expecting during this period. For the most part, we'll have northeast to east winds with gusts 20 to 30 miles an hour and more of those wind-prone locations in the inland valleys and mountains. We will have some isolated gusts as high as 45 miles per hour, especially around the Cajon Pass and in the Santa Ana Mountains. At this time, it appears that winds will peak in strength Thursday morning. So how hot will it be? High temperatures on Thursday will mostly be in the mid to upper 80s for the valleys, almost all the way to the coast. And this will be a solid 5 to 15 degrees higher than we're expecting on Wednesday. As far as the relative humidity, it will drop to around 15 to 20% away from the coast Thursday afternoon. Temperatures continue to increase on Friday, with highs pushing the low 90s in some valley locations, and humidity continuing to lower by a couple percent Friday afternoon, again mostly in the teens away from the immediate coast. Santa Ana winds weaken a lot Saturday and end by about the early afternoon when we see the sea breeze return. This will allow temperatures to cool a couple degrees west of the mountains, but still remain well above normal with temps in the mid to upper 80s. The cooling trend continues Sunday, however, highs will still be a solid 5 to 10 degrees above normal, which is quite a bit higher than we've been experiencing lately. With all that said, our elevated to near critical fire weather conditions are the most concerning thing for the weather this week. And while we can't predict where or when fires will start, we can be prepared for them. 2 websites you can visit to refresh your memory on wildfire safety and preparations. You can visit weather.gov/safety/wildfire or readyforwildfire.org. That's all we have for this week. I would just like to say thank you to our veterans. Happy Veterans Day, and thank you for serving our country. As always, for the latest forecast updates, you can go to weather.gov/San Diego.